everyone, and welcome to or welcome back to Hello Hi for another great cannabis recipe. And today I'm showing you how to make cannabis infused Snicker bars. Yes, homemade cannabis infused Snicker bars. And we are using two different infusions. I'm going to infuse the nougat part with canna sugar and the caramel peanut part with canna butter. And I just want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Please share my videos and tell all of your friends to subscribe. We are at 50,000 subscribers and counting, and over 70 cannabis infused videos. So thank you guys so much, and I appreciate it. And let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need an egg, can of sugar, salt, water, corn syrup, caramels, can of butter, some peanuts, and some chocolate. Now I'm going to make the nougat part first, and this will be the first layer in the Snickers. So start by cracking one egg and adding